Very good morning, class third. Today we are going to start subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. So we have done subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. So let's start subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing. So open the page number 84 and 85. And date is 31st of August 2020. Yes, so take one example. This is question number 1 of exercise. So subtraction, HTO stands for, O means ones, T stands for tens, and S stands for 100. So now subtracting the ones. So step 1 is subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 5 from 0, right? But 5 is greater than 0, so we cannot subtract 5 ones from 0 ones, right? Then what we do? So borrow 110, so that 3 tens are left. It means if 110 are borrowing, then 3 tens are left, and so in ones position 110 means 10 ones and plus 0 ones. So 110 equals to 10 ones plus 0 1. 10 plus 0 is 10. So here is 10. So 10 ones minus 5 ones. 10 1 minus 5 ones is 5 ones. So write 5 under the ones column. So here you see, after borrowing 10 ones minus 5 ones becomes 5, and in tens position 3 tens are left, right? Yes. And now subtracting the tens. So we want to subtract 7 from 3, but 7 is greater than 3. Then how can solve it? So we cannot subtract 7 tens from 3 tens. So borrow 100. So 500 are left. This is 5. 500 are left, and 100 plus 3 tens becomes 10 tens plus 3 tens equals to 13 tens. So 13 minus 7 is 6 tens. So write 6 under tens column. So write 6 under tens column. Now step 3 is subtracting the 100. So 500 minus 300 becomes 200. So write 200 the 2 under the 100 column. So 640 minus 375 becomes 265, right? So here we write 265. Now start some questions of page number 86. Only solve question, do not do write summary. Okay, yes. So step 1 is subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 5 from 0, but it is not possible. So from the tens we borrow 110, and 3 tens are left, and 110 plus 0 ones becomes 10 ones. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now subtracting the tens, we want to subtract 7 from 3, but it is not possible because 7 is greater than 3. So from the 100 take 100 borrowing, and 500 are left, and 100 and 3 tens becomes 13 tens. So 13 minus 7 is 6, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Now second question is 6 to 5 minus 4 3 6. Now subtracting the ones, we want to subtract 6 from 5, but 6 is greater than 5. So from the tens, take 110 borrowing and 110 are left. So 110 plus 5 ones becomes 15 ones. 15 minus 6 is 9. Yes. Now subtracting the tens, so we want to subtract 3 from 1, but it is not possible. So from the 100, we borrowing 100 and leaving behind 5, and 100 plus 110 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8, and subtracting 100, 5 minus 4 is 1. So 189 is the right answer. So now next question is 900 minus 573. Subtracting the ones, we want to subtract 3 from 0, but 3 is greater than 0. So from the tens column, we borrow 110, but here is 0. So from the 100 column, we borrow 100 and leaving behind 8 tens are left, and here is 100 plus 0 tens becomes 10, and take 110 borrowing, so 9 10 are left, and 110 plus 0 ones becomes 10s. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and subtracting the tens, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Now subtracting the, now next question is 8 1 1 and 6 5 4. Now subtracting the ones, so we want to subtract 4 from 1, but it is not possible. So from the tens, we borrowing 110, leaving behind 1, and in ones position 110 plus 1 ones becomes 11 ones. So 11 minus 4 is 7. So write 7 under ones column. And now subtracting the tens, so we want to subtract 5 from 1. It is not possible. So from the 100 column, take 100 borrowing, 700 are left, and 100 plus 110 becomes 11 tens. So 11 minus 5 is 6, and subtracting the 100, 7 minus 6 is 1. So 167 is the right answer. Right? So do this work in your fair copy. Only do this 4 questions. Right? Yes. Thank you so much class, and have a nice day. And homework is do all questions of page number 86. Right? In copy. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.